Hello everyone, it's Sheila back again. Welcome to my channel. Today I am unboxing the Minooy Hebe, well, it's a cross shoulder bag, or crossbody call it. This is the box it came in. You can see there's a bag inside which I'm going to open up and show you what's inside here. First off, there's a card here. It says, "Thank you, crafted in passion, created with purpose, Minooy." And on the back it says, "Dear member, thank you so much for your order." Well, this was sent to me free, so I didn't order it. I did order it, but didn't pay for it. "We really appreciate it. We hope you enjoy your purchase. All our products are crafted with an obsessive attention to detail," which, oh, is very true. "We'd love to hear your thoughts or see pictures." That's at Minooy. "Enjoy 20% off your next purchase with this coupon code." And then it says, "Thank you. If you have any doubt about your order, please free to contact us at Minooy." And that's what it says on there. And I'm going to open up the bag that came in. There's also a strap. This must be an extra strap in the bag, but I'll get to that later. And this is the bag that's been sent to me. I love the detail on this strap. It's a shorter one. It can go over your shoulder, that one. It is a little bit, I don't know if I can get far enough away from the camera for you to see, but it's a little, not quite as long as most of them. The other strap in there must be a longer one, so it'll go across your body, across this way. So now I'll show you the workings inside this now. But something I noticed as soon as I opened that, the smell of the leather. It's lovely, lovely smell. So I will show you what's inside this now. What I'm going to put inside it, I should say. Right, so this is my bag that Minooy sent to me. And as you can see, it has a zipper here, the zipper across the top, and a pocket in the front here. And this is a shorter strap. It's got some nice detail on it, actually, some nice work on the and that. I rather like that, actually. It is a little bit shorter, this strap, but it still does the job. I can put it on over my shoulder, but if I want to have it over my body, there is a longer strap, and it's just a matter of these open up here, and this on the bag. And find the opening on it. They open up somehow, that's it. It's just a matter, if you want to change the handle, you just, that opens up like that. So you can see it better there, like that, and you would just take take this off like that. I can't get around far enough. Like that, and then just take that off, and it comes off like that, and then you just put the other one on if you want it on, but I'm quite happy with that one. Now it has opening at the front. The main thing for me, this is my bingo board. It fits in, and that in the front there, which is nice and handy. That's my bingo board. Take that out. And I usually take a couple of coasters with me for me and my friend for just to put our drinks on, so they go in there with the bingo board. And then this front here opens up, and as you can see there's bits and pieces, paper hankies which I have in, comb, wipes for my glasses which I do need at times, a little notebook that comes in handy, and you know those lady things that we need now and again at my age. And then there's a little pocket inside there, a pair of scissors, comes in handy at times, and a couple of pins if I need pins for anything. They're always handy, pins. And then there's this zipper here. You can zip them together like that, or just both on one side, whichever you want. And then I have calculator. I don't really need that really when I think about it. It's a calculator on my phone there. A little thing if I need to put up my nose for a bit, clear your nose a bit sometimes. A little bit of perfume, just a little bottle, that's all I need, just a little bit, you know, put behind your ear sometimes. And then, oh yes, I have some postage stamps. I keep a few postage stamps. I think I've got all kinds of postage stamps in here for anything I have to send away. I have some second class ordinary ones. So there's some postage stamps that I have in there. And there's some cards in here. These are cards that I wouldn't really need in my purse, although that one, that's my AA card. I would probably need that one. But cards that I don't need to have in my purse, that one I would do in my my cards, you know, for my bank and in that. But some other ones, national insurance number card, which I don't need to keep in my purse, comes in handy. Those little pockets in there for them. And then there is the inside of the bag. Now this, the zip, the two things on the zip come in like that and open up. But this is also handy because the zips go right inside down the side. And if you want to make that opening in the middle a little bit wider, you have to pull those out and open the zips a bit more, which I have done. And in there I have, well, that's my phone case because I'm using my phone to record this, but my phone case. And I also have a little ball of wool in there with a couple of hooks, because we do have breaks when I go to my bingo. And sometimes I'll sit and maybe make a little coaster. So I always have a little bit wool and a couple of hooks in my bag. That's another bag if I need to put any extra things in, a little shopping bag. My purse, that goes in there as well. Pack of playing cards, which I take down when I go down with my grandkids. Sometimes, you know, they have a game with the kids. Tape measure. You never know when you might need a tape measure. My earphones. You know, the wireless earphones. Instead of having the wires hanging out of your ears, you can use those ones on my phone if I want to listen to anything. And a lighter. Not that I smoke, but I do carry one just in case I need it for any reason. Which I have used it to melt the ice off my lock one time, I think, on my car. And then have a couple of pens in the little pockets, or pockets inside here. I'll show when I get them out. Deodorant. And I kind of do without those, my bingo dobbers. And then inside, as you can see, there's a couple of little pouch type things. That's where I have to keep the bingo pens and that. And then there's a zipped another zip compartment inside there. That's handy for anything personal, you know, like these sort of things I would put inside there, because I don't want everybody to see those. And that's inside there. And this one here, that has that little compartment there, and this one, the front one, also has a little zipper. In there, there's another compartment if you want things that you want particularly hidden. That's very good for that. And I think that is, don't think there's any compartment, there's only that compartment on there where I keep my bingo board. There's no other zippers in there, but I picked this one particularly because I wanted one with a wider middle bit inside here, because the last one I did get was the barley Minooy one, and there was a lot of little compartments with zips and all that, and when you put things in one compartment it took up the room from the other ones and you didn't have a lot of room. So I decided this one would be a better one. And I also have a little clip here for to put your keys on. Put your key ring things into there, and if you take it out your bag to open your door, it's stretchy, so that's handy for that as well. And I'm very pleased with that. This has that's like a magnetic here. This is like a magnetic catch there. You put that there, but it also have the little press studs as well. But that clips on magnetically, and then you'll close those. I think they are like, not sure whether they are magnetized as well, the little press studs. But that's a nice bag. I like that very much. I'll be taking it to bingo with me tonight to show my friend. Well, not just to show her, to brag to her. So that's my little video for unboxing the Minooy Hebe. I think that's how you pronounce it, H-E-B-E. And there will be a link in the description box for the company, and there is a voucher number for anyone who might want to buy any of these. You have to click on the Minooy, the company, and there's a lot of different other bags. And now there's a 15%, but it says dollar, so I would imagine it's probably pound as well, if anybody wanted to have a look on it. So that's my unboxing today, and thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you all another time, so bye for now.